About a year ago, I have stumbled upon this video from Kevin Powell, where he shows us how to solve this common layout issue. The goal is to make a container that contains text on one side, but keeps an image full width on the other side. Now, of course, Kevin, being the CSS god that he is, created this insane grid layout to solve this problem. I remember thinking that maybe I should try to find my own solution instead of always copying someone else. And so I did. But don't get me wrong here, I don't think my version is better or worse, I just think it's a different approach from somebody that isn't as much of a sophisticated programmer that can conjure up and maintain this kind of code. I always had this lazy approach of coding. I would try to make everything I wrote as short and simple as possible. So here you will see that I didn't do any of the complex variable grid layouts and calculations, and instead I did the best I could with the knowledge I have. And got a little creative. There will be a lot of HTML to write now, but this will mostly be some placeholder text to fill in the space. What I will do here is I will add a different class to each unique layout. So a class for left wrapped text, right wrapped text, text wrapped on both sides, and also images on both sides. And there isn't much more to say here, the rest of the job will be adding all of the paragraphs to fill in the space. In the CSS, we will do the mobile or small screen version first. This will be a simple one-column layout and some basic general styling. Then, in the large screen version, we will add a two-column layout. We also want to center the text elements both horizontally and vertically, and also add some padding for spacing. Now we'll set the position of the image to absolute. This will remove it from the natural layout or flow of the document. We will center its position on the y-axis, and also we will make it take up half of the screen. Now, depending on which layout class the image belongs in, we will place it either to the right or to the left. And also adjust the padding for text that is on the right side. And the last thing here is how I solved the different background colors for the two sides. It is simply a sharp gradient on the whole section. So yeah, that's it. Of course, Kevin's version is much cooler and you should check it out, but I also thought that maybe someone will find this approach useful as well, so here it is. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.